everyone, good afternoon. Now you are watching English Headline News Banyumas TV. I, Ocha Putri Nugroho, will take you into today's three news topics. 1. The weather forecast is in Banyumas today. 2. Moving into Lebaran homecoming news after the COVID pandemic. And the last topic of street food that viewers must experience. Our first news topics today is the weather forecast, the current weather in Banyumas. Now we are going to call our reporter Irsyad, who's ready to report his live report from Banyumas Raya. Hello Irsyad. What is the forecast from the weather in Banyumas, Izzat? Recently, the rainfall has been getting higher even though the dry season is approached.
The cause of rain in the dry season is the occurrence of a negative dipole mood in the Indian Ocean. Dipole mood is an anomalous phenomenon in the sea which is characterized by temperature deviation in the sea that are opposite to the western and eastern parts. In short, dipole mood is a phenomenon of the interaction between the atmosphere and the ocean. This then causes the temperature to rise and produce the rain. Dipole negative mood is expected to occur in a short time. It is predicted that the rain in the dry season will last until October. The climatology agency explained that this condition was also the result of influence of change in the area and atmosphere in the Indian Ocean. This is evidenced by the formation of a low pressure center in the form of a vortex in the south of the equator around the west coast of Sumatra and Java. Meanwhile, vortex formation is very intensive in the Indian Ocean. Therefore, it is predicted the trend in the dry season will occur throughout the dry season. Maybe that's enough for me to return to Ocha in the studio. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Irsyad. Moving into the second topic of the news. After 2 years of the COVID-19 pandemic, the ban going home has eased again. This year, homecoming has the potential to experience a spike in the congregation number of areas. Now, we are going to call our reporter, Putri Puspa, who's ready to report his live report from Alun-Alun Purwokerto. Hello Putri.
Hello Ocha! This year homecoming flow is monitored smoothly, especially from the direction of Bandung Tekubumen. It is still smooth, but there are points or spots where traffic jams often occur, including the city center, which is traveled by motorists. Motorists, not a few of the travelers using city route or sorts, such as this what is happening right now. Viewers, there are so many vehicles piled up, starting with people coming home work from home, school children, making traffic even worse along this road. I'm Putri Puspa. I give it back to Ocha in studio.
Well, thank you Putri. In Purwokerto, traffic jam is one of the main problems in the afternoon hours before it. Well, it's time to move on the last news. The street food center in Purwokerto that you must try before breaking the fast food. Now we are going to call our reporter Wulan, who is ready to report her live. Report from Alun-Alun Purwokerto. Hello Wulan.
Hello Ocha, I'm Nuria Wulandari. I will report a recommendation of street food in Alun-Alun Purwokerto. Beside and behind me, many various takjil of recommendation.
is pecel. Pecel is traditional food in Java. I will try this taste. This taste is delicious. It was a recommendation for your all if you in alun-alun Purwakarta.
I'm Nuria Wulandari. Thank you. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Wulan. That's all the news we can convey today. I'm Ota Putri Nugroho, the host of this night news program. Thank you and see you at the same time and even tomorrow.
Audio